People travel across the world for these activities in Jamaica, yet somehow you live on the most beautiful island on earth and have never zipped through its canopy, rafted its rivers, or stood at the top of the Blue Mountains looking down. Jamaicans, there's a full day of horseback riding, ATV, caves, and a party catamaran waiting for you, and most Jamaicans have never had one of those experiences. You start on horseback, riding along the historic Seville coastline, straight into the Caribbean Sea. Then you jump on an ATV and tear through terrain that Tainos and explorers walked centuries before you. Then it gets wild. You go underground. The green Grotto Caves, a real labyrinth carved out of limestone, dark, ancient, and unforgettable. And you end it on a party catamaran drifting along the Caribbean Sea. One pass, one day. Nature, history, and straight vibes. Logistics? Already handled. This is your island. Act like it. Stop watching other people live. The key is to check the bio and lock in your date before the early bird deal expires.